Okay, so to recap this week, we know that big data matters because it captures customer behaviors and thoughts at a very fine level in near real time. Big data analytics can disclose insights, which can be embedded into the fabric of our everyday life, thoroughly transforming the way we work and the way we live. We've discussed the business value of big data and the benefits that data science can enable. Rather than performing standard reporting on many functional areas, organizations can apply advanced analytical techniques to optimize processes and derive more value from their everyday tasks. We also talked about data science being a team sport. A data science team includes not only the role of the data scientist, but also business users, project sponsors, project managers, business intelligence analysts, database administrators, and data engineers in order to be successful. These roles have different outputs, and presentations should be tailored to different types of audiences, such as the project sponsors or analysts. If you wish to develop data science capabilities in your organizations, you can choose from 4 options. You can transform an existing team. You can create a new team. You can use a data science as a service provider, and you can use crowdsourcing. Each approach has pros and cons. It's necessary to compare them and determine which best suits your needs to solve your particular business problem. We've also looked at some software tools to enable big data analytics. Hadoop is an open source software framework for distributed storage and distributed processing of data sets at very large scale across the cluster. In this week's assignment, you were asked to post responses on what current roles you have in your organization that can support your big data challenges, how these roles can support your data needs in the future, and how you may require changes to these roles in order to support your data needs in the future. What tools you're currently using to analyze data in your organization, and what challenges you could be facing with these tools. Remember to apply this more personally or think about it from a business perspective if you are not part of the workforce. If you've not already done so, please post your responses to these questions, as well as read and peer review at least 2 other responses. Again, doing this really helps to demonstrate that you've successfully completed the material. The intent of these posts is to enable crowdsourcing of ideas and strategies to address challenges of big data and continue to share broader views and perspectives. We've highlighted several times that big data presents some interesting challenges. Ingesting, storing, and processing lots of data from disparate sources. Next week's course material will introduce the concept of the data lake and specifically the Federation Business Data Lake solution. Thanks for your continued interest in the course during week 2, and hopefully we'll see you all again in week 3. Thanks a lot.